Hi, my name is Jansi Sethuraj. I'm a final year acute care DNP student at the Cizik School of Nursing at UTHealth, Houston. Why I chose Cizik? Because I wanted a program which is nationally ranked and respected that also supports students both academically and professionally. As a working mom, I found that this is one of the most affordable hybrid programs in Texas which offers lots of scholarships. And I was fortunate to receive a couple. Another major reason is the location. Being close to the Texas Medical Center, which is one of the largest and the best medical centers in the world, gives me access to advanced clinical experiences. Most importantly, the support I receive at Cizik has been outstanding. Now, in my final year, I feel well prepared, more confident, and grateful for the education, clinical training, and opportunities I have received. Thank you.